Which are the essential for plant nutrient? Answer: sulfur and phosphorus. Question 2. In plant, sulfur absorbed by? Answer: plant root as a sulfate. Sulfur convert to sulfate. Which are the sulfur containing compound? Cysteine, methionine, protein, biotin, thiamine. These are organic form of sulfur metabolized by soil microorganisms. The breakdown of organic. Question 4. The breakdown of organic sulfur compound into inorganic sulfur compound by bacteria is called? Answer: mineralization. Question 5. Immobilization means conversion of inorganic sulfur to organic sulfur. Question 6. Which bacteria are involved in oxidation of sulfur? Answer: chemoautotropic bacteria and photosynthetic bacteria. Question 7. Sulfate reduction is done in the presence of? Answer: hydrogen sulfide. Question 8. In which condition sulfide reduction is occur? Answer: alkaline and anaerobic condition of soil. Question 9. Sulfate reduction is used for? Answer: amino acid and protein biosynthesis. Question 10. Aerobic and oxygenic photosynthesis occur in? Marine water, fresh water, deep water. Question 11. Which pigment present in aerobic and oxygenic phototrophs bacteria? Answer: bacteriochlorophyll A and carotenoids. Question number 12. Bacterioplankton, floating bacteria, use as a sulfur source for protein synthesis. Answer: dimethyl sulfonipropionate is a transfer to dimethyl sulfur is a volatile sulfase. Question number 13. What is abiotic process? A reaction occurs in the absence of microorganism. 14. Oxidation of sulfide to elemental sulfur is which type of process? Abiotic process, because this process is done in the absence of microorganism. 15. Which enzyme is involved in formation of hydrogen sulfide from cysteine? Answer: cystathionine lysis. 16. Oxidation of cysteine to form cysteine. 17. Formation of disulfide from cysteine is called thiocysteine. Question 18. Which steps are involved in phosphorus transformation in soil? Solubilization, mineralization, immobilization and fixation. Question 19. Which mechanisms are involved in solubilization of phosphorus by microorganisms? Answer: chelation. 20. Name of the organism which are involved in solubilization of phosphorus: Pseudomonas fluorescens, Bacillus acetobacter liquefications and Rhizobium maliloti. 21. Which is the most important factor that affect the process of mineralization of phosphorus? Answer: carbon phosphorus ratio that require more than 200. 21. In which form phosphorus present in soil? Organic and inorganic. 23. Which enzyme involved in the process of mineralization of phosphate? Phosphatases. 24. In date of living organism, phosphorus present in protoplasm in the form of organic form. 25. Sulfate are reduced to hydrogen sulfide by Disulfomaculum species. Is a sulfate reducing bacteria cause food spoilage? 26. In biogeochemical cycle, chemical pass through from non-living to living and living to non-living. That means both direction. 27. In which sedimentary cycle Sedimentary cycle, sulfur and phosphorus cycle. Small gaseous component found. Answer, sulfur cycle. For sedimentary cycle, main reservoir are soil and rock.